it's constantly in the background. No, it retains you. It wants to attach you. It wants to hold you back. To create a limitless life, we need to focus on the negative beliefs of ourselves and our team in order to discover how to transform them. Because if they're playing in the background and we're not aware of them, they're sabotaging your goals and you're not aware of them. So we better become more aware. So how do we do that? When we focus our attention on the negative beliefs we are holding, we are creating awareness in our conscious mind. We are bringing those beliefs from the background, the subconscious. We're bringing them in front of us to become aware of them. We may be moving these beliefs from our subconscious, where we could not see them, into our conscious mind, where we can. It only takes just that question to become aware. You know, the bad news is that they could hinder all our success. The good news is that we can act on them and upon this in a minute when we have this tool, and create a different outcome just by becoming aware of them. Then we keep shining a light on them until they are replaced. Every time they arise, here the light, here the flashlight, here the flashlight, and we get a more productive belief to work. Every time we get this negative belief, we shine the light, we make it a positive belief. And after a while, it becomes a pattern